welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you about Bitbucket, how to clone your repository from Bitbucket to Eclipse in your laptop or desktop, and how to work with your workspace. Okay, so this is I have already logged into my Bitbucket. So this is my recent workspace which I have. Here it will give you the list of recent workspace I have worked on. Okay, and here is the repositories, list of repositories. If you have more number of repositories to which you have access, all the repositories will be listed out here. And if you want to clone any specific repository, in this example I have only one repository, so I will click on it. I have to clone this repository. Okay, so to my Eclipse, so I will show you the steps now. So here you can see the clone option. Okay, click on this and select https. Okay, copy this URL. So to copy, you can just click on this copy. So it has copied now. Then go to Eclipse. So already I have Eclipse opened. So open your Eclipse, go to your specific workspace in Eclipse. Then here right click, or you can go to file, here import, or just you can right click here, go to import, again here import section. In the import, you search for get, under get projects from get with smart import. Click next. Here select clone URI. Click next. Automatically the URI is copied to this text box. Protocol is HTTPS. That's what we selected while copying this. Then port number, don't specify anything. Username, by default whichever the username you logged into Bitbucket, that username will be picked here. So now enter your password. So password should be same as you log into Bitbucket. Okay, enter your password and click next. So when you click on next, like it's going to Eclipse is going to establish a connection with your Bitbucket and fetch the branches here. It will list the branches here from the Bitbucket to which you under that repository, which all branches are under that project, like which all branches are listed out. So select all the branches because you would need it, like when you want to switch between the branches, then you should have the copy of it. So select all the branches and click next. And here initial branch, so here you can specify initially when it is cloning, from which branch you want to clone it, either from master or developer. If you want to specify any other branch from which you want to clone, you can select it. So now I will go with master and click next. So in this section, like now, like since you selected the repository, then you selected the branch. So now it is going to fetch all the information from that particular branch, and it will going to display. If you have a Maven project which is uploaded in the branch, it will give that pom.xml. And once you get confirm from this screen, you can click on finish button. So once you finish, like you can see here, your project has been cloned into your Eclipse, and this is the I am into master branch now. Okay, so I have nothing in this master branch, so it is just giving me this readme. So now I will show you like how to switch between branches. So to switch to other branch, so just right click on this your project, then go to team. So to perform any JIT operation, you have to go to teams in an Eclipse, and you have so many options here. You can just explore, and if you want more in details about all the options over here, you can visit my next videos. I'll be doing my next video on all the Git activities which you can perform from Eclipse. Okay, so for now, like to switch to other branch, you can go to switch to and go to other. Here, this is the local branch which is already cloned, and in the remote tracking, you can see the developer here, which is the other branch. I just click on select that particular branch and click on checkout. So checkout has a new local branch, so it will be coming to your local branch. So now, like while switching, like what when pulling, like what we want to do here, like we want to merge our existing code. Yeah, select that merge and click on finish. So now you can see it is switched to developer branch. Okay, yeah, that's all about like the steps to clone a project from Bitbucket to your Eclipse. So this is going to reduce a lot of effort which you have to spend in git bash or command prompt, which you will be using to push and pull the code from repository. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comments section here. And if you like this video and if you find it useful, so please press on thumbs up button, or you can like this video. Yeah. Thank you. See you in the next video.